mom getting mad?
Hmm?
Shit. Your mom's home now, Robbie.
Oh shit.
Lock the door, maybe she won't know anything.
Shit. Robbie's mom's here. Oh, Robbie. Let's switch out the window.
Alright.
Robbie, your mom's on you.
Robbie, your mom's home. How do we work this thing?
Damn, Robbie, what's time to escape?
Robbie, you gotta get out, dude.
Go back on, it's not gonna see you. Robbie, maybe she won't see you if you just put the coat on.
She's not gonna see you.
Robbie, you're screwed. Did you hear her talking?
Robbie's mom? What are you talking about? Robbie's not here.
Yes, I
Robbie, she wants to go talk to you. Go in the kitchen.
am! Robbie, I need to talk to you now!
Robbie's not even here. That's a lamp.
Really? Then why won't it turn on?
Oh, it'll turn on, Mrs. Snapper.
It's not even making lamp noises.
Robbie, make lamp noise.
Robbie, make lamp noise, dude. Robbie, she's home. Make lamp noise. No, make the lamp noise. Shh, make some of those. Make some.
If you've been doing drugs again, Robbie, your father's gonna hit you.
Robbie, you're gonna break it.
Make lamp noises, your dad's gonna hit you. Damn, Robbie.
He's probably gonna break that plastic.
Pass out, yeah.
Really tired.
Dude, yeah, make lamp noises. Make lamp noises and you never go to
I'm
sleep.
done with this.
And I turn on to sleep. I really lamp noises. Robbie,
Maybe just gonna go to bed right between the little vocation thing.
A needed Jewish attitude. Jews who may not marry Jewish.